Oh, here's the one I'm saying. A new variety of my kamote. We call it the kamote in the Filipino Tagalog. This is my garden here. This is for summer 2023. Here we go. Yeah, I'm proud to be a Filipino, being lot of vegetable in my garden. I like to eat vegetable. This is good for the health. See, look, my feature today is my new variety discover in Canada, the variety of kamote. This is the one. Look, the leaf is too different. It's like a diamond. Since I start grow here, see, look, started as a diamond leaf. So this is the main root, main stem. See, look, started here as a diamond. I think this is a new variety of kamote. Look, everything here, the leaf is different shape, like a heart, all a heart. But now, see, all hearts. Here, I have here too. This is small, my all kamote. It's all hearts. The shape is hearts. I don't know why. This is like a very rare a kamote like this. This is spade. It's not a diamond. When it comes to the heart, in the cards, this is spade. Spade shape. Look, so nice. And I need to feature you my the only one. I got it. My kalabasa. Only one kalabasa, I got it in my backyard garden. You remember my feature before? In this part, my pechay before, in the winter time, he lives here until summer. I got all the seeds. If you see my previous video, you can see here, around here, and on all my garden around here. This is my cherry, my tomato. I have my ampalaya there. Ampalaya. My okra. We call it saluyot inibanag. My chili. This is long chili, but it's curly now. This is good for the pinakbet, or we call it sinigang. It's not pepper. It's not too hot. This is good for sinigang. My eggplant. I have some bearing fruit over there. And all my my native spinach here. Native spinach. Nice. It's saving now the seeds. This is gonna be harvested before the winter. And see, look, nice one. My kalabasa again. Scrolling around. And I have one fruit over there. Sad to say, I need to put some bags, plastic bag to cover the fruit, because some of the squirrel around here, they're roaming around, and then they eat all the fruit. Actually, I have a lot of kalabasa, but it's only the survivor, not the only one. And these two second fruit from my kalabasa. And one thing more, I need to show you one thing more. Here you go. May apapet. Apapet in Ilocano, in Ibanag, ampalaya in Tagalog, and bitter melon in English. So this is my garden for summer 2023. Okay, have a nice day. See all my video. Thanks.